you want to know how to go viral on TikTok? Well, stay tuned to the end because I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks of how I went viral on TikTok. And check this out. If you don't believe me, I have 100,000 views in TikTok within the last 7 days. So the first thing I do when I try to go viral on TikTok, I find out what videos are viral now. What does that mean? Find the trending videos. And how do you do that, you say? Well, you go up to the app and there's a section that says following. So the videos that are following, right? You're following. And also the For You page, okay? So typically you want to go to the For You page and it will show you all the viral videos that are on the For You page, okay? So the trick is, what I've been doing is I've been looking at the hashtags. So if it's related to my niche, I kind of pay attention. Okay, what is this person doing? Also, what other people don't really recommend is looking at what kind of content or framework that is trending, right? So say Simon Says back then. So you should do a Simon Says for, affiliate marketing or make money online, right? So Simon Says, follow me. Simon Says, click that link and learn how to make millions of dollars, right? Simon Says, comment down below. So obviously that's not trending now, but like I said, you have to pick up on these trends and relate it to your niche, put a spin on it. Correct? So comment down below. I want to know in the comments, what trending video did you make? Or what trending video have you been following? And how can you twist that for your particular niche or content? So it's very important to not copy exactly what that trending video is. It's important to model that, meaning putting your own spin on it, being creative, and don't be afraid to put new things on TikTok. This new TikTok algorithm update basically is looking for consistency and newer types of videos. Some people on YouTube have, if you've heard, it's called remixing the trend, right? So basically putting your own spin, making new videos, new content that TikTok viewers have never seen before is also a good strategy to go with. And with the new update, like I said, you have to have a consistent feeling, right? Consistent content. It has to look the same, feel the same. So that brings me to, you should be making a template or framework of a video, right? So maybe you call out something in the beginning first, and then you tell a story, and then you give a call to action, like follow me, comment down below, or anything like that. TikTok's algorithm is very smart nowadays. It's gonna know that, wow, Bobby's been doing this type of framework all along. So you gotta be consistent. So back to making new videos, making trending videos, right? You gotta think of yourself. Like what do you think is interesting? You're walking down the street, you're commuting to work, you're at home bored, and you see this crazy squirrel that just stole something from the cat. Like you have to show that, right? And then you have to put that in your videos. So you're gonna have to post 3 to 5 times a day. I recommend doing, posting one video now, then 30 minutes later posting another video, so that video can catch on. Because TikTok isn't going to make you viral right away like they used to, right? They're actually going to look at the video, see how it goes, and then slowly feed out your video. Kind of like Facebook and YouTube nowadays. Before, they could just make your video go viral like that. But now, times has changed. The new algorithms changed that. And then you look at which videos are trending or getting more views, and then you actually post the same type of content, right? Or same type of style video, post that 10 to 15 times. And I get it. I work full time and I don't have all day to post, right? So, pro tip, you can actually repost old videos, right? Another tip is if you can't get traction, try doing duets. Duets with popular videos or trending videos in your niche. And make sure that you give them the shout out and not delete their name, because that's not a good thing. All right, so shout out their name, use your hashtags, and stay tuned. I'm going to give you the framework of how to go viral on TikTok. All right, so the framework of how to go viral on TikTok. Number 1, your video should be 11 to 17 seconds long. I know some can be shorter, I know some can be longer, But just follow this framework, right? 11 seconds to 17 seconds. I know some viral videos are 60 seconds, but this is the way you should do it, because most of the videos that are trending are between 11 and 17 seconds. You're gonna have to use number 2. You're gonna have to use hashtags, right? The hashtag strategy should be, you should use 2 that are broad or trending hashtags, like hashtag TikTok, hashtag for you page, hashtag FYP would be 3 good examples, right? 1 to 2 that is your niche hashtags, like online business, email marketing, whatever business you're in, right? Tip number 3 would be posting between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Eastern time. And then the second would be the 7 p.m. to midnight EST, right? And since everyone's home with this current situation going on, or everyone's on TikTok, more people are on TikTok, you might want to try different times as well, like anywhere between 1:30 to 2:30 or 4:30 to 5:30, right? So try those as well. Just play around with it. Like I said, but your best video content that you want to push out, right, the new ones, would be between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. and then 7 p.m. to, we'll say, 9 p.m. Okay? And just please comment down below, what times are you posting and which time frame or time period works out for you? Let me know in the comments, please. So if you do like this content and you want more tips of my framework of how to go viral, give me a thumbs up. Tip number 4. Before we do that, please subscribe to the channel. And tip number 4 would be use trending sounds. So if you go to the sound, you search for trending, then you can use those, because guess what? TikTok will know that you're using the trending sounds, and if it has any flags or hints that your video is going to go or be trending, right, or go viral, then it's going to signal to them, hey, we should really look into this video. Tip number 5, okay, post consistently. Like I said, 3 to 5 times a day, ramp it up 10 to 12 or 15 times a day. If that content is going viral, you're going to keep doing it, all right? And repost your old videos as well. But never, ever, ever delete your videos. That looks very bad in the algorithm nowadays, okay? Tip number 6, you have to tell people what to do. You can't ever assume that they know what to do, okay? So tell your viewers, TikTok viewers, to follow you, right? So follow me here. Click the plus sign. Comment down below. Double tap to like. Share this video, right? Those are some things that I tell them to do. Or call to action. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel in the bio. Check the link in the bio, right? Check the link in the comments. Tip number 7. Go ahead and find out who followed you, who liked your videos, and go ahead and go follow them and comment on their videos. So if you do like this, give me a thumbs up, and also check out the playlist that's going to be there for you, right? And also a YouTube recommended video here. Also, please check out the playlist. It's going to be, the link is also going to be in the description. If you want to fast track your TikTok experience, I do have a course that I took, and this is where I learned all this from, for $1. It'll be in the link in the description, and also in the comments down below. Same thing. So if you want the same strategy as the last video, post your TikTok username down below. Follow at least 5 of the TikTok followers in the comments as well. And if you do want to join my Facebook group, the Facebook group link is in the description. And I also have a TikTok follow train there as well. All right, stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to show you how to grow on TikTok.